In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp GIF not showing or WhatsApp GIF not loading problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp app if available in update version. Now install 1.1.1 VPN. Tap on install. Now go to settings. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage. Clear cache. Now connected VPN app. Tap on next. Tap on accept. Install VPN profile OK. Not now. Now tap on connect. Now open your WhatsApp. Now tap on emoji icon. Now tap on GIF. You can see that GIF is showing or GIF is loading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.